Hello guys, my name is Diana and welcome back to my channel. You know what we do here? We are reacting until we're what? Wealthy. Today we are going to be reacting to 5 kitchen designs. So if you're ready, let's get it. Let's go. Okay, so this kitchen, oh my goodness, they are all marbled out. I am just in love with everything about this. The space, the white cabinets, the marble, it's exquisite. I absolutely love this so far. And the grand island, I'm so in love with this. This is perfect. Let's go to the next video. This one, oh my god, I absolutely love the green. I don't know what's been happening to me, but I've been loving loud colors in kitchens lately, and I absolutely love and adore this green in here. And I love the farmhouse sink. Everything is just so nice, and the gold details on the handles. Ugh, they've done this so nice. Wish the camera didn't turn around. Didn't need to see that, but yes, I love this. Absolutely love this. Very farmhouse. Love. So we're going to watch the next one. So this particular marble gives me the heebie-jeebies. I love marble, but only like a small hint of the veins, not like a large hint. So this is just like too much for me. My brain is just like, oh my god. But absolutely do adore this kitchen, minus the really loud, bold marble statement. But the kitchen is designed really well. Okay, let's go on to the next video. Oh my goodness. This is a futuristic kitchen to the T. I feel like I'm in 2030 or something like that. Everything is hidden. This is for the person that does not want to see any appliances. Everything is hidden, and I do love that hidden pocket door. Once you slide it across, you can just shove it away and use your appliances and then close the door back up when you're done. Oh, I'm loving this. I'm gonna call it the futuristic kitchen. I love this one. Oh, it's so sleek. Let's watch the final video. Okay, so this particular kitchen I also very much love. It looks more lived in than the rest that I have seen, and I love the small touches. It's giving me Thanksgiving, or we're already in Christmas spirit. It's so warm, and the chosen flowers to decorate is just very winterish, autumnish, and I absolutely love it. It's giving me very warm vibes. I feel like drinking pumpkin spice latte right now from watching this kitchen. I absolutely adore it, and it just reminds me of like a mom that's just ready to get into the Christmas mood. The noteboard just tells me this is an organized person. But I love. But that was all 5 videos, guys. My favorite one out of the 5 is number 4. Oh my god. It just gives me sleek, clean, and don't get my kitchen dirty. That's all it gives me. I love the cleanliness. I love the hidden appliances. I love that everything is sleek, and the space is absolutely crazy. Mwah, one of my favorites. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Let me know in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed that reaction. Please do like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.